Wait, so first of all, this is going to be a quick video on how I make videos. Wait, so first of all, don't judge how dirty my kitchen is. So, first things first, you need 1 cup of Lewis Ferrux. Yeah, you need a glass, and so you're going to pour Lewis into a glass. And you want to cook them, so you're going to pour them into a pan. Nice. Okay, so then you want half a glass of Connor Cruncha. I'm going to add that. And then, we also want some Casey Neistat. So we're just going to kind of throw them in there. And then, Michelle Obama. We want some Michelle Obama. We want lots of Michelle Obama. Yeah. So, after that, we want to get some Hello X Guyan. So we want to throw some gay in there. Sugar and sweet and everything nice. And I want a big, nice spoonful. Just mix that in there. Yeah. Okay. And just kind of keep mixing and mixing. And work away all those uni issues and failing classes and everything, and just keep editing. Yeah. And now you're ready for the final step, which is to pour it into a glass. And we pour our content into a glass. And yeah, then we're done. And yeah, that's how you make a basic white girl video.